Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you one of the options how you can create your outline using metal wire and threads. Let's start. First of all, take threads. They should be quite thick. Here I have Gutermann threads in red color. And simple needle. Make a knot in the thread and secure it by passing through the same spot a couple of times. Take metal wire, stretch it, and sew it on to the lines you have. You have to pass through every space you have in between the wire. Like that, our outline will have red color inside the gold wire. Pass a couple of times from the beginning of the wire to secure it better. Then sew on every space in between your wire. Always follow your lines on the felt. Now we have to create this pointed angle. Take your scissors and bend wire. Now measure your wire where it should end and cut. In the end, secure your wire by passing few times through the same spot. If you have sharp end, take long nose pliers and just bend your wire inside this way. Same way you continue to create all the flowers. And same as previously, we secure our end by passing a few times through the same spot. I will secure my thread and cut it, and then I can start my next steps, what you will see in my next videos. Now we have to press as well our beginning here and our end to remove sharpness of the wire. And now you know one of the ways how you can create outline for your works. See you in my next videos.